Welcome to the Bigger Brains course on Microsoft Teams Shifts. My name is Jennifer Buchholz. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and subject matter expert, and I've been working with Microsoft products for the past 25 years. The Shifts app in Teams is a useful tool, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for any business user who is familiar with Teams and whose organization is using the Teams Shifts app. We'll start by navigating the Shifts interface in Teams and creating schedules. Then we'll set up and manage groups. Next, we'll create and assign shifts and change views to see overall coverage. From there, we'll use different shift management tools such as sharing, approving time, and modifying settings. Lastly, we'll look at how to add requests, clock in and out, and change shifts from the desktop and from the mobile app. By the end of this course, you'll be able to set up and use the main features in the Microsoft Teams Shifts app.